What I don't like is benching.
What is benching?
Benji.
Oh, you call me Benji?
नहीं.
So a classic retro love song.
कैसे मैं कहूँ तुझसे.
Retro है?
हो
गया अब. अच्छा इनके लिए.
इनके लिए क्या? मैडम.
आप तो आज के हो ना, हम पुराने हैं.
What पुराने? Same.
This is It's All Friendly Love and Romance Edition with Siddhant and Runal. Hi guys. Hi.
Hello guys.
Yuva Studios में आपका स्वागत है.
Thank you so much.
How is the feel like, vibe like right now?
Very Yuva.
Very Yuva, quite Yuva. As our film is quite young and quite like, you know, refreshing, love is in the air.
Love
so
is in the air.
It's the month of February, Valentine's Day is.
Valentine's Day it is.
Yeah, so feeling good.
I'm very, very excited to watch this because obviously as somebody who grew up watching Hindi films, Bollywood films, है ना, प्यार की कमी थोड़ी महसूस हो रही थी.
Oh, thank you for
Thank
saying
you,
that
yeah.
because that's literally our intention when it comes to making Do Dewane Seher.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a game. It's called It's All Friendly.
Yes.
Okay. यहाँ पर कुछ categories हैं and हर category में कुछ questions हैं and every question has a point. अब you are competing with each other.
Oh no.
Okay. So whoever scores the maximum points wins this game.
Okay.
So who wants to start first?
Me?
Yeah.
No, of course. I mean, ladies first.
Mrinal,
Go for it.
pick a category, pick a question.
Bollywood romance.
Okay. I'll read it for you. Okay.
सीधे 6 point वाला उठाया. Wow.
What's the most filmy thing you've done in love?
Oh, taken a flight and gone to another continent to meet
Continent.
someone.
Wow, continent.
Yeah.
Continent सुन के मुझे अंटार्कटिका याद आता है.
I went to Europe actually to meet a Scandinavian boy.
Oh wow, this was
Many years ago.
college
College, post
school
college. Right after college.
days. Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, would you do this again today
No.
for anybody?
No.
Cute.
No.
No, why?
I'll say come pick me first. I'm not traveling alone.
Nice. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair.
Things
Yeah.
change, people change, definitions of romance change. I think now I'm more like just let's travel together wherever we are.
What if he's sick and he's like cannot take the flight? So will
Then
you?
I'll go, of course.
So see, she's still the same now. She's just trying to be
Then
that
I'll
boss.
Yeah.
She's the
But I
sweet-
won't go to Europe for sure. I'll just say take care of yourself.
Oh no, man. She's just making. She's just.
She will.
Yeah, she's.
Right, she will.
She will. I'm sure. I'm sure.
Yeah, I
Very
will.
sweet like that.
All right, 6 points to you.
points, so I'll keep it
Mrinal.
next to me.
Okay.
Yeah. Why 6 point?
Simple.
ऐसे?
बस
Yeah.
चलो sit.
Which one? Sit. I'll help you.
Pick the modern love में 2 number.
दो number.
God.
Smart.
There you go.
Will you want to read it
Yeah,
out for me?
yeah,
Thank
okay.
you.
Oh, what about modern relationships do you personally like and dislike? एक चीज जो आज के प्यार के बारे में आपको अच्छी लगती है और
हाँ.
एक चीज जो नहीं अच्छी लगती.
एक चीज जो अच्छी लगती है is कुछ अच्छा आजकल में अच्छा ये लगता है. अच्छा ठीक है. अच्छा ये अच्छा लगता है that you can constantly, sometimes you're not like you're busy or you can't talk, so you share memes or something like, you know, something a cute reel which you have seen which kind of both resonate to. So sharing of memes and reels is something, it's a love language, I feel now. And if they both have the same sense of humor and if they both feel, you know, like the same location, you know, sometimes you see those location things and like I wish I want to be there. So without even saying, you can just send the reel and they're like, oh my god, can't wait to go there with you. What I don't like is benching.
What is benching?
Benji.
What is benching? Oh, you
Benching.
call me Benji?
नहीं benching नहीं पता तुझे.
नहीं.
अरे benching मतलब ऐसा होता
Bench
है.
is like to.
Basically when you are kind of evaluating your different options with boys or girls, so you bench them. So आपके इस
So you
पे
keep them on standby.
keep them.
Yeah.
When you feel like कि एक को आपको एक पसंद है, अगर वो ज़्यादा भाव नहीं दे रहा
Sorry, वो प्यार नहीं है, वो कुछ और है.
तो benching बोलते हैं उसको. तो वही तो कहा कि मुझे नहीं पसंद है वो usually options होते हैं अलग अलग.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
So benching.
Something
Okay, 2 points to you, Sid. Why
मेरे
haven't
को
you picked up?
20 दे दो यार. इतना अच्छा आंसर
He
दिया मैंने.
chose. I don't know why.
हाँ, चलो Mrinal, back to you.
There you go.
6 ही उठा रही है यार ये.
तो मतलब सवाल
जीतना है इन्हें. Okay, What's something about old school love that you wish still existed?
खत लिखना. आजकल लोग लंबे चौड़े मैसेजेस इंस्टा पे भेज के डिसअपियरिंग मोड पे मैसेज भी गया, फीलिंग्स भी गई. आई थिंक there's so much joy when it comes to writing a letter for someone. And when you miss that person,
Yeah.
you still can revisit that, and you can read it and you can feel the love through the letters. And it's really nice. Like after Sita Ramam, actually a lot of people started writing letters to me, and there was no घर का पता. It just said Mumbai, Andheri West, and one building का नाम, and it reached to me via, and I was so happy to receive that letter from that person. And it's really beautiful. I think khat.
So do you also have like, because you've been receiving so many letters?
Listen, I only get points for these, okay? Not for these
No, I'm just
questions.
asking about this only. Like, if you get so many letters, do you have like a kabutar parking lot? When you're waiting.
Lot.
Parking lot,
मतलब,
कबूतर.
but वो, you know what? नहीं.
Yeah. नहीं?
नहीं.
कबूतर नहीं पाले अभी तक?
नहीं. नहीं.
Would you still write a love letter today?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah.
Like I think my love language is to write a post, like a note, be it to my mom on a birthday or to all my loved ones. Anything without a note is incomplete.
Yeah.
No.
Thank you, Mrunal. 6 points to you. You have 12 now. Sid, chalo.
This?
मेरा सिर्फ 12 कब 2 है, एक तो नहीं है. कौन सा?
Acha, don't do modern love.
नहीं
Do-
नहीं. I want to do hot takes.
हाँ,
Which
let's do
one?
hot takes.
Which one?
कोई भी आप उठा लो
कोई भी?
आपके हिसाब से. हाँ.
Okay. If you could remove one romantic cliche या trope from films,
हाँ.
what could it be?
This is something which I would want to I want to take it out, and it should go out. I feel it's something where you get obsessed with someone, and then you follow that person, then you stalk that
Stalk that
person,
person, thank you.
and जबरदस्ती कि तुम मेरी हो और तुम मेरी ही रहोगी कह के उसको
बोलो
जबरदस्ती
कि तुम मेरी हो.
हाँ वो प्रेशर डालना, एंड फिर लड़की को भी प्यार हो जाता है वैसे वाला.
Yeah.
So I feel that is something which I would want to take out. I think that's a little not right.
Yeah, like mistaking obsession as love.
Yeah, mistaking obsession as love, which is I think most of our
Hindi films.
yeah. So I think almost celebrate it in a way.
Correct.
There's a term called nas kate ashik. Yeah. That अब हो गया है. You can't help but get obsessed with someone, but like going out of the way and pressurizing and making somebody feel uncomfortable is something. Most of my skills have been acquired because I've been obsessed with someone. I love that, but it's a very beautiful kind of obsession rather than trying to कि बाइक लेके आ गए मुंह नीचे खड़े हो गए अरे वैसा वाला.
Bed पीछे.
हाँ.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Sid.
Thank you.
6 points to you.
Love.
Mrunal, back to you.
26.
Do दो दीवाने शहर में.
Okay. What part of this film's love story do you think will resonate with the generation today?
Wow.
I can answer this in one word: insecurities.
Absolutely.
When
Bang
two
on.
people meet each other with their respective insecurities, and it's not people falling in love, people rising in love.
Wow.
So yeah,
40 दे दो इनको.
अच्छा.
दे दो.
ले लो.
Perfect.
Okay, Sid, back to you.
मेरे को हॉट टेक्स ही देते जाओ आप.
Hot taxi लो. चलो.
मजा आ रहा है इसमें. थोड़ा ये थ्रिलिंग है. अनसेफ है थोड़ा ये.
Okay. What's something people romanticize in relationships that you personally don't agree with?
I would say
Benching.
no, mansplaining.
Explain.
Yeah,
Mansplaining.
people. I mean, a lot of people like they want mansplaining is when you think that somebody doesn't know that thing and then you explain. Let me tell you how to do this. And sometimes it's romanticized. You're like, oh my god, कितना smart है, कितना कितना protective है, कितना ये है. But I think वो कहीं ना कहीं it kind of plays with your insecurities eventually, and you keep getting suppressed and suppressed and suppressed. So yeah, this thing is something which
Very nice.
Yeah, mansplaining. You should not like make a woman ever feel like that you know more than her, even if there's something which you know better of. But there are ways of doing it, politely, or and you never know everything. So mansplaining is something which just puts that person in that, and you definitely romanticize it because the women feel like, oh my god,
Yeah, he knows.
he knows more, but the way of saying it is something which actually makes a difference, I feel.
How
Absolutely.
girls watching right now think Sid is such a green
flag.
forest.
Forest, green forest.
I have a page.
You bet. I was just about to say. क्या हम वो दे सकते हैं आपको पीछे से?
झाड़.
मैं तो चलता फिरता green forest हूँ.
Wow,
Cute, that's
such
sweet.
a
That's really
very
sweet.
very sweet,
चलो
interesting
60
opinion.
आपके लिए.
60?
Yeah, मेरी तरफ से 60.
9.
9 बना लिया
Wow.
आपने. चलो मृणाल.
Modern love I'll take.
Okay.
ये मजा आएगा. मजा.
Okay. What have you understood about love today that you didn't when you were younger?
ये सब मुझे क्यों नहीं आ रहा है?
कोई नया पर्सपेक्टिव आया है प्यार को लेकर?
G, to not give up on each other, to not give up on us, to not give up on love.
Oh.
I didn't understand this then, but I understand this now. Do you know that scene from The Notebook
Yeah.
again, where he says, we're gonna fight. You are really difficult, so am I, but I'm not gonna give up on each other because I love you,
Wow.
That's it. I think one of the biggest emotion that plays a biggest role in love is ego. When you put your guards down and when you're like, नहीं है यार ego, बस प्यार है तुझसे. Take it. Don't leave me बस. Don't take it or leave it, but just take it.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
6 points. Yours. Sid, what are you thinking? You've gone into a thinking
I think
mode.
hot-
now.
No,
takes.
she's right. I was thinking about this, that how people just, love is not easy. Love is not convenient. If
Yeah.
you're looking for convenience, then there are different things to, go after. I think love is something which you have to kind of grow with that person, accept imperfections, and just keep like building and building. And the point of it is to grow together.
Yeah.
Exactly what she said, rise in love, rather than trying to.
But what is love? Love is literally reparenting each other.
Exactly. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, जो बचपन में all our wounds, all
Trauma.
our traumas. Because see, a mother will love the son irrespective क्योंकि वो उनका बेटा है. भाई बहन एक दूसरे को प्यार करेंगे क्योंकि वो siblings है. But a partner, वो उनका कुछ नहीं लगता. They just love you with all your flaws, all your strengths, or everything. Positive, negative, grey, doesn't matter. So it's hardships, it's compromise, it's surrendering yourself, putting your guards down, letting ego not cross, and just being there for that someone when they really need you.
Yeah.
That's it. It's very simple. And that's what the film is also all about.
कुछ ही बचे हैं मेरे पास, तो मैं सोच रहा था कि
यार
Put it
तेरे
on
आंसर्स
display.
इतने अच्छे हैं, ले लो सारे ले लो.
नहीं यार ऐसे नहीं.
क्या
Cheating से नहीं जीतना
Okay,
होगा.
next
Okay,
is
whose
who-
turn? Sid, your turn.
I would take hot takes only.
Yeah.
छः से मारो. हाँ.
छः.
Hot takes. Oh, a recent performance by an actor that you loved.
I think Ranveer Singh from Dhurandhar.
Yeah.
It's such a held back, mature performance. The intensity, the depth, not much to do, not doing much, but you can feel the presence throughout. Even though he's mostly in the background in the first film, and I'm sure he's gonna be exploding in the second one. And as you see Ranveer Singh as being that loud, energetic guy, and I worked with him, but that man's art is, to kind of disappear in the character. Even during Gully Boy, he just submitted. Submission is one of the biggest traits of an actor, I feel, and he aces it like nobody else's business. So I think one of my favorite performances, very underplayed, very beautiful,
But right from Band Baja Bharat, his aura, I think we go to watch Ranveer, but हम जब निकलते हैं, it's like, oh my god, ये तो हमजा, मतलब not even 1 second we felt like we were watching Ranveer. It's
Correct.
just
Yeah.
the cast.
And you know why you feel that aura is because when you watch the film and you come out and you swipe a reel and he's the same, he's like dancing at a wedding and he's just like, and you're like, Arre?
Having fun.
Yeah, so you feel that yaar ye banda kya hai yaar? So
हाँ.
it's quite magnetic like that. I
Yeah,
feel.
that's true.
Yeah.
6 points.
Thank you.
आपके. Okay.
Cool.
मृणाल. सारे 6 खत्म हो चुके हैं.
I know.
We 4s.
We'll do Bollywood romance.
Bollywood romance 4. Tell me a Bollywood film that shaped your idea of love and romance.
All Shah Rukh Khan movies. But idea of love could also be loving yourself So Jab We Met plays an integral part in my life because I started loving myself more after watching that movie. And that's when, you know, they say, no, it's a saying, like, when you don't have anything in your cup, what would you give? So you have to like fill your cup first. Oxygen mask. पहले खुद का मास्क लगाइए फिर दूसरों को दीजिए. So I think Jab We Met has played a very important role in my life, in finding love towards myself, discovering my career, and just being unapologetic me and loving a person with, you know, no expectations.
Jab We Met, why in terms of your career? How did it help your career?
Because you know there's one scene जहाँ पे वो भाग रही होती है और वो आदित्य को कहती है कि यार मैं भाग रही हूँ, और वो कहते हैं कि पैसों को पीछे लगा देंगे मेरे, तो चली जाएगी, ये सब कुछ मैं फंस जाऊंगा. He's like, तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार,
की फर्क पड़ता है?
No, it's like your life. कल को मैं पीछे देख के I shouldn't say like I didn't live my life, I didn't give it a chance. So
Yeah.
that approach of Geet is something that really वो ऐसे टडंग कुछ तो हुआ अंदर.
वो सीन है छत पे, वो बोलती है उसको ना कि जो होगा लाइफ में वो मुझे पता होगा कि वो मेरी वजह से हुआ है. क्या मुझे टोन भी याद है उसका.
See, you're a proper Geet fan.
Full Geet
Full
fan.
on. I think there is a Geet in every girl.
Yeah.
Am I giving the Aditya vibes right now with the specs?
Yes.
Green forest.
Fully.
Cool.
मॉडर्न लव ही दे दो यार.
देखो.
लास्ट में करेंगे ना फिल्म की बात.
Okay. What do you think people misunderstand about relationships and dating today?
That it's very important to show that you're in love rather than actually being quietly in a corner cuddling someone and feeling the love. It's all about showing, being out there and pictures, and it's a lot of display on social media of affection, which kind of they feel that it kind of validates, that love is there, like I'm in love, I'm madly in love, so posting pictures of each other, making reels with each other. They went on a date here in Maldives, he gave her a bouquet, so it's always pressurizing to see other people, and you start getting nazar lagti hai, I would say. So that display, that importance on social media, that showing that we are madly in love, is, I'm not saying it's wrong, I think it's the priority should be actually
Living that
in
moment.
the moment rather than
Yeah.
trying to make a reel out of it.
Yeah.
Wow.
This was also from the perspective of कि आपके हिसाब से
Correct.
आज के relationships के बारे में लोगों के judgments होते हैं, right? For example, there's this perception that सच्चा प्यार होता ही नहीं है आजकल.
I feel प्यार होता है, ऐसा नहीं है. हर जनरेशन में प्यार वैसा ही होता है. प्यार वही है, प्यार की परिभाषा वही है, बट वही है कि चीज़ें आसपास की जो टूल्स हैं वो बदलते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि डीप वाला प्यार नहीं होता अभी, और ऐसा नहीं कि ये कभी ख़त्म होगा, ट्रू लव नहीं होता. आई थिंक ये मिसकंसेप्शन है कि आजकल के बच्चों में तो प्यार ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
कल वो था, कल परसों कोई और थी. ये पीपल हु जेन्युइनली आर इन लव, इवन इन द जेनजीज हु आर मैडली इन लव, they are in love. It's just that they're quiet about it. That's why it's not there in the popular culture
Correct.
yet.
Yeah.
तो वो, और ये पहले भी हुआ करता था. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज से 50 साल पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था कि everybody was in love.
Yeah, I mean, a film like Sayara worked today because people want to see that old
Because
school.
people can resonate to that. Yeah.
Yeah. 4 points to you.
There you go.
Mrinal,
Yes.
back to you.
I'll take दो दीवाने शहर में.
Okay. Oh, this is interesting. If your characters went for a date in Mumbai, where would they go?
I think Bougie Cafe.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
आपके characters का नाम बताओ.
Roshni and Shashank.
So Roshni and Shashank would go to
I
Bougie
would go
Cafe.
to Bougie Cafe. I
Okay.
would take him to Bougie Cafe. Actually, he will take me to Bene to have dosa, idli, chutney, sambar. Correct?
Yeah, whatever you want. You're going on a date, it's your call.
Okay. Where
I'm
would
gonna
you
watch this interview and I'm gonna watch your expression, what you're doing behind my back.
No, I'm not doing anything. I'm like, yeah.
Why is Pari giving that smile?
He was like, whatever you want.
Yeah.
Okay. Bene or
But where would you want to go?
I would ideally, in the night,
Huh.
when you see the moon up in the sky and you can see the
yeah.
reflection on the ocean, I want to go walking with her bare feet with my jeans folded, hand in hand and just walking and
सॉरी मैं तो भूल गई डेट पे जाना था मुझे तो खाना है but that's exactly who Roshni is like it's
Yeah.
everything about food. Yeah. She makes food and she eats food all the time.
so I would go on a walk like in under the starry skies and
Yeah.
just like hand in hand and just we'll carry
बारिश
food.
में.
We'll carry food.
बारिश में.
Carry food, bhajia.
बारिश में?
Shashank, she's asking about Shashank.
Yeah,
not-
yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah.
But I think even Sid would do that only.
Yeah,
है
Sid
ना?
तो would definitely.
मैं
He'll do
नहीं
10
करूँगा।
times
नहीं?
more.
मैं घर पे लेटूंगा मुनूंगा chill gaming करते हैं PS5 that's me is different and I'll cook for her
Yeah.
well yeah so
That
watch something cook for her like something like that I'll be at
Please
home
eat Tiffany आप भी भेज दो.
something like that
Send food.
Okay,
There you go.
that's yours.
That was me actually, yeah.
hey
Which one would you like to answer, Sid?
old school love 4 points
Okay.
Okay. A relationship, a long-lasting relationship in your personal life that inspired you.
So my first relationship actually, I was 18 years old. There was this girl I was, madly in love with, and it went. We were doing CA together. I was doing chartered accountancy. She was also in the same class. पहले एक साल तो I think मैंने
I'm blushing.
Yeah,
हाँ.
he's fully like.
पहले एक साल तो दोस्ती थी and I used to like her but she did not know about it. So I used to take a train ulta to go to where she was every day even though my house was the other way. And so I did all of those things. She knew that I liked her eventually and then obviously we went in, we had a relationship for 4 years. Now the sad part that it happened is because in me it was like I wanted to be an actor that time and kahin na kahin I was like kind of focusing on that. So I was doing classes but after that I was doing theatre rehearsals as well. And she knew I had told her my dreams that I want to be an actor. And this is something as just a safety if that doesn't happen because coming from where I come from, I don't have a chance to kind of, I need something to fall back on if that doesn't work out. So she knew about it. And then eventually when I started auditioning more and more and more, I think by the age of 20, 21, she realized that I want to be an actor and the thing was that she wanted to get married by 24. I was like यार मेरे को पता नहीं कि अभी मैं तो एकदम कुछ नया ही शुरू कर रहा हूँ. If I settle down, be a CA, I get a job, that's still fine, but I want to do something else. Can you wait for me? So she's like, I'll wait for you. And obviously she waited, but there was a little bit of pressure and I didn't know how to kind of maneuver around that. And I was still trying. I was like, no, we'll make it happen. And I was literally like auditioning, like just going to random auditions so that I get some work so I can literally get that first check, so that validation that yes, I can do something, but then she realized I was under pressure and so she told me that, listen, I think, what you want to do, it's a long journey. I want you to be pressure free. So you go pursue your dreams.
She inspired you too.
I'll tell you how, because she told me that we are parting ways, but remember that you have to make this worth something. So, and when I did it, when I actually got Gully Boy and when I inside edge hua, but that was still not the breakthrough. But jab Gully Boy hua, my first message was from her that you kept your promise. And by that time she was already married and yeah, so that really inspired me to kind of, as somebody who understands you, and she was so selfless to let me go. She wanted me to be free to just explore, didn't want to like bind me. So she was so selfless like that time, and we tried for like 8-9 months, and it was the hardest breakup ever. So I was like going like I need to do it. I almost was like, let's quit acting. I'll just get a job. I'll do CA. That's not. So I had to choose between my dream and my love, and she was like, you choose your dream, and you make sure that your love was worth it.
Oh,
So
that's so cute. Did you cry? How much did you cry?
yeah, a lot. Back in the day, lot.
She must be so proud of you today.
यार पर letting go सबसे difficult होता है.
शायर ने ऐसा महसूस किया है कि जिस अफसाने को अंजाम देना ना हो मुमकिन, उसे बस एक हसीन मोड़ देके छोड़ देना चाहिए.
वाह
क्या बात है.
क्या
Wow,
बात
इसके लिए तो
है.
extra points मिलने चाहिए.
ये एक्चुअली शायरी नहीं है, एक गाने के लिरिक्स का पार्ट है. बहुत पुराना गाना है, उसका एक लिरिक्स है जो स्टेड विद मी.
Yeah. So I wish I could give you more points for this.
Yeah, I know.
ओह थैंक यू. यार ही दे दो. चलो अच्छा जा रहा है.
Mrinal,
Yes.
back to you.
Old school love.
Oh, okay. A small romantic gesture that stayed with you.
यार small थोड़ी ना मतलब सब grand ही है.
तो फिर बता दो, grand बता दो.
A gesture that stayed with me.
हाँ.
Someone who wrote a song, composed it, sung it, went to a recording studio and sent it
Wow.
on my birthday.
Wow.
There's a song for me, and for many occasions I keep receiving songs on the important dates. Yeah.
Wow. Wow, that's so sweet. मेरे को
Very
सुना कभी
sweet.
कि अच्छा भी गा रहा है कि नहीं? नहीं तो मैं ही एक आध दो लिख देता हूँ मैं आपके लिए. I don't mind.
Sunaungi, I just hope you understand it.
अच्छा अच्छा लैंग्वेज स्कैंडिनेवियन क्या स्कैंडलस सॉन्ग है क्या?
Scandinavian, that no, it's
Scandinavian.
not Scandinavian.
अच्छा.
Okay.
Next,
Sid.
Sid.
Yours.
We'll do
2 या
bullet
4?
on it.
I want to do 2.
अरे?
Huh?
अरे यार
Take it, you take
नहीं
both
नहीं नहीं
actually.
एक्चुअली बॉलीवुड रोमांस मेरा फोटो है वो लाइफ में.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
ये तो actually your forte है. What's your favorite heartbreak song?
सो गाइस एक गाना आ रहा है हमारी फिल्म में. Genuinely बता रहा हूँ, not promoting the song. Vishal Mishra is one of my favorite artists. It is composed by one of my dearest friend, who's also my college friend, buddy, Shreyas Puranik, who composed Sataranga from Animal, Duniya Alag Hai from Dhadak. He's composed this beautiful song called Wajah Bewajah with Vishal Mishra. What a song! I think that's my current favorite. I mean, having said that, if I want to choose pick one song, before that, it would be.
So a classic retro love song.
कैसे मैं कहूँ तुझसे.
वो retro है?
In a
हो गया
way.
अब.
अच्छा इनके लिए.
इनके लिए मतलब?
इनके लिए क्या? मैडम
आप तो आज के हो ना, हम पुराने हैं.
बहुत पुराने सेम टाइम हो गया 90s में आई थी ना.
हाँ, continue.
नहीं सामने भी बहुत
Hey, but
प्यारा.
what is retro? Retro is like बहुत पुराना.
नहीं सामने
या 90s भी
नहीं
retro है.
सामने ये अलग बात है. That song I love.
ताल.
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 What a song.
Yes. एक और बचा है सिर्फ. Your turns are over.
I think we'll do half. We'll split.
We'll split.
And the audience will decide.
Okay. Did anything from this film remind you of your own experiences in love? इस फिल्म के बारे में ऐसा कौन सा एक पार्ट है या कौन सी एक चीज है जिससे आपको खुद के experiences
यार मेरा तो
याद
बहुत इंटेंस है.
हाँ?
हाँ यार. So when we were, there's a scene, there's a heartbreak जो song हमने इसके पहले मैंने विशाल मिश्रा का बताया, that plays on where we have almost like kind of broken up, and she tells me to take her stuff back and चीज़ें एक दूसरे के पास कुछ मेरा कुछ सामान तुम्हारे यहाँ छूट गया है वो वाला सिचुएशन है.
कुछ सामान.
तो उस टाइम एग्जैक्टली वही से सारी चीज़ें मेरे साथ ज़िंदगी में हो रही थी लाइफ में. सो आई वॉज रियली लाइक आई वॉज फीलिंग एवरी बीट, every lyric, every feeling, like, so I think I've not performed in this song at all. I just was myself. And I remember Ravi sir was taking the close of me just looking at her texts and that can you when happens ki somebody types and then erases and then types again.
Yeah.
Because they are both kind of figuring out how to like do it without hurting the person. So usme where I'm reading her text when she tells me to like okay, you just your stuff is here, just take it back. And exactly the similar things were happening in my life that time. So I literally broke down in that scene and Ravi sir was like, अरे क्या छोटे क्या performer है. And cut के बाद भी I was just like very like I was still teary-eyed. So I think this song is very close to me and that situation. So that resonated a lot with me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Mrinal, that I
So
would
there's
do.
one line which I say, मैं कहती हूँ कि शादी करने के लिए कर लूँ.
Wow.
So that's what I resonate with.
Yeah.
It's my dream to get married. I get like butterflies when I even think about it.
जल्दी
But
बहुत जल्दी.
करने के लिए नहीं
That's right.
करनी शादी, किसी सही इंसान से करनी जो समझ सके या yeah. So that one line really resonates with me the most.
Yeah, there's a saying na, marrying late is
Better than-
marrying the wrong person.
Yeah.
So I think that's
there's
true.
one more saying. If you're 32 and you're still single, you have skipped at least one divorce.
क्या आप ये दोनों
32?
Yeah.
Wow.
क्यों?
Just asking.
तुम क्या लगता है?
She thinks you are
तुम क्या
20s.
Yeah, he looks. He's very young at heart.
तुम क्या ब्रिटिश राज में तुम कुछ तुम्हारा योगदान था क्या? मतलब हद है.
Same age as you, but sometimes, you know, I feel like because I'm also my brother is, even he's got a brother who's like 12 years apart, born in 2004. 2004, right? But I feel like I matured really early, yaar. I think, I don't know. I grew up way before my, you know, like I see the people my age and I feel like, oh my god, they're such kids. Like cute in a sweet way, not in a putting them down or anything.
Yeah.
But I've become very mature, I feel. I feel like,
Can it be because you started your career
Maybe
early?
yeah. Lot
उसकी
Do you
वजह
think
से
you
ना?
skipped most of your childhood and your young?
I was working since 17.
Yeah.
I actually was at work when I was 17 years old.
So you kind of miss that, like you could never.
I didn't experience the college life. I was away from all my friends during their birthday parties, their shadis, and I was just at work.
So
I
don't
just
you?
grew up on set.
So don't you feel like you should date somebody younger so that that person makes you feel and reminds you of?
Yeah, you could. That's the cue for boys. Yeah.
है मैं को अभी तो बोली थी.
क्या?
Young हूँ ना मैं.
Acha, oh, like that.
चले.
यार
बाहर में आदित्य रात में. चल रीटा.
राजू में
I need to like
क्या मेरे
hang with more
Young people?
younger people. Yeah.
younger people?
There you go.
Welcome to the tribe, yo.
Welcome to the
Benji. Benching.
Dad in the car, he called me grandmother.
अरे I didn't call you grandma.
Why would you do that? Sid?
Something
क्यों
funny
करोगे?
happened.
फिर तो वो बोलेगी कि तुम
Listen, I feel like social anxiety. I was telling him sometimes I get very anxious with, you know, people. Something happened. And हाँ तू तो है ही grandma.
अरे मतलब because she's so caring.
अरे,
That's why.
उसने in a fun way.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Not like that. ये तो खुद ही बोलती रहती है तो बच्चा है बच्चा है.
Yeah, hey.
यार ये
No, in a sweet way, Sid. You're young. You're
young at
I love-
heart.
Yeah. See? चल
बहुत
पगली.
गुजरी है मुझ पे भी ठीक है मेरी इंटेंसिटी नहीं देखी शायरी में तुमने.
हाँ, बहुत
ओल्ड स्कूल ओल्ड हार्ट.
गहराइयाँ.
इतना मैच्योर कैरेक्टर प्ले किया था मैंने देख उस टाइम भी.
चलो पॉइंट्स काउंट करो अब.
क्या अरे जीतना है क्या?
Generous.
ये हुआ
I think मजा आया हमको.
10. ये हुआ दूसरा 10. ये हुआ तीसरा 10. 30.
10
32.
32?
Yeah.
30.
30?
Eh, चल झूठी.
झूठ.
He's hiding. He wants me to.
Oh, he wants to lose.
No,
हो
he
गया ना.
wants. कितना हुआ?
Half.
Half. So we both won.
Both what?
दो दीवाने शहर में.
Yay!
I love it. I love this game. Cute.
Nice game, huh?
We
Thank
actually
you.
explored ourselves
Yeah.
through this.
Thank
which was
you.
quite enriching.
ट्रिगर भी हुआ थोड़ा बहुत मैं. ट्रिगर हो गया था मैं तो.
Trigger हो गया था.
Oh shit.
चश्मों पे चाहिए मुझे वाइपर.
Oh my god.
Guys, closing question. दो दीवाने शहर में I am very excited because as I said, मुझे प्यार से प्यार है. So मैं बहुत excited हूँ to see your love story like this. But मेरा last closing question है कि ये is this film for people in love or people who miss being in love?
Both.
This film is for everybody.
It's also for the families.
For the families, because there's a beautiful, like Roshni and Shashank, they both have this dysfunctional family, exactly what we have, you know. I feel, जैसे आपने कहा, आपको प्यार से प्यार हो जाएगा, मोहब्बत से मोहब्बत हो जाएगी, या इश्क से इश्क हो जाएगा. So this is the film for all दो दीवानास in any शहर who are madly in love with each other and don't want to give up on each other and just want to rise in love, not
Yeah.
fall in love.
Yeah, because
how
even having said the family dynamics also, I come from a family where my father wants me to do the best in life. So that pressure is always there. I think that a lot of people will resonate to. I have resonated to that. She comes from a family where like एक particular उम्र के बाद शादी कर लो शादी. That's why she says कि शादी करने के लिए थोड़ी ना शादी कर लूँगी. And these two imperfect souls meet each other and how the story. It's a very simple. I'm not going to be complicating it. There's very simple story, but एक ऐसी फिल्म नहीं आती जो आपको गुदगुदा के चली जाती हैं. It's like that. It's very enduring, very beautiful. It's like you feel like that butterflies, It's that kind of a film and shot very well, beautifully by Kaushal, directed by Ravi Udyawal, who's an emotional guy himself. If you've seen Mom,
Yes.
like the way he plays with the micro emotions is something which is, I think, nuances. Yeah. So it's, I think, very enduring film. Like it's been a while. I think we need to give it a chance, man.
Yes. Give the film a chance. Give love a chance.
Give love
also.
a chance also.
Toti Mane, sir.
Thank you.